In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp Space, Workspace Structure 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're on the site, log into your account. You can continue with email or use a social sign-in, like a work-connected Google or Microsoft account. Choose whichever you prefer. The goal is just to get you into your workspace quickly and securely. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. Think of this as your command center. From here, you can access tasks, recent activity, and anything you've been working on. It's helpful to pause for a second and orient yourself so you know where to go next. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This is where you'll find your options, including spaces and messages. Spaces are the backbone of your workspace structure, and each one can represent a team, a department, or a specific group that needs its own processes and settings. Find the Spaces section in that left sidebar and look for the plus icon to create a new one. If the plus button isn't immediately obvious, hover near the Spaces label or scroll to the end of the Spaces list until you see it. Click it to start setting things up. Now enter the details for your new space. Begin with the icon and name. Choose a clear, memorable name that reflects the group or function it serves. Something like marketing, product, or operations. The icon is a quick visual cue, so pick something your team will easily recognize. Add a short description if you want to clarify the purpose or scope. This can be especially helpful for new teammates joining later. Next, review the default permission. Full edit typically means members can create, update, and manage items within the space. If you want tighter control, you can adjust permissions later, but starting with full edit is common for collaborative teams. You'll also see an option to make the space private. Turn this on if the space should only be visible to you and the specific people you invite. If collaboration and visibility are important across the organization, leave it public within the workspace. When you're satisfied with these settings, click Continue. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete creation. ClickUp will guide you through confirming your choices and finishing setup. Once done, your new space appears in the left sidebar, ready for you to add lists, define workflows, and start organizing work. That's all it takes to create a clean, well-structured space in ClickUp.